In software engineering, SOLID is an acronym for 5 design principles intended to make object-oriented design more understandable, flexible, and maintainable. The SOLID ideas are single responsibility, open-close, list-call substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion. In this tutorial, I will introduce Interface Segregation Principle. Interface Segregation Principle defines that no code should be forced to depend on methods that it does not use. So here is a code example. We have a car abstract class, and both Toyota class and Tesla class implements the car abstract class. Implement keywords is used to declare interfaces in Dart. If you have no idea about interface, you can check out to our object-oriented programming tutorial playlist. In short, a class must redefine every functions in the interface it wishes to implement, which in this example, we have two functions in the abstract class, which are pedal and add fuel. And Toyota and Tesla class implements the car abstract class, so they are required to redefine both functions in their own class. Both Toyota and Tesla class can refine the pedal function. However, Tesla can't refine add fuel function because it's an electric vehicle. It charges electric instead of adding fuel. But because Tesla class implement car abstract class, it's required to refine all the function in the car class. This certainly violates interface segregation principle, as in this code example, Tesla class is forced to depend on add fuel method, which it does not use. In order to adhere to interface segregation principle, I will now remove the add fuel method from the car class, while I will be creating two additional abstract class called fuel and electric. Each of these classes have its own method. And for Toyota and Tesla class, it no longer implements a single class. Instead, for Toyota class, it will implement car and fuel classes, and Tesla class will implement car and electric classes. With these changes, no class is depending on methods that it does not use, and the code example is now adhered to interface segregation principle. The changes will make our code more understandable, flexible, and maintainable. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.